Hi everyone, here we are introducing Netlink GPON ONT, that is HG323RGW. This model have one GE port, one FE port, one telephone port and Wi-Fi capability. This model supports Q-in-Q VLAN functions. Netlink HG323RGW supports WMM, which helps to increase the Wi-Fi bandwidth. Also, this model supports the bridge mode, router mode, and bridge and router mixed mode as well. HG323RGW supports SIP call protocol. Also have features like MAC filtering and URL filtering. And our product Netlink HG323RGW has 3-year warranty. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watching more videos, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon and share this video to your friends. Thank you.